This morning I'm here to teach you about the difference of omenani Igbo and agwamogu. Like, what I mean is this. So, you know that they deal with tradition, omenani, n'ụzọ kwesịrị ekwesị. Mana anyị nwa bụ youth now, 2020. So, like I was saying, we don't know what we have, because if you know the meaning, you will not be using it against your brother. Tradition, you will not use it against your brother. Let's assume you are doing well. I came to you and asked you, how do you achieve all these things? You tell me, you give me the real updates that I need to know. That is number one part of omenana. That is number one part of tradition. Secondary, tradition na akwụba aka ọtọ. They say the truth. Lie is not part of tradition. That is what I'm trying to lecture so minutes this morning. So my brother and sister, my friends, when you say that you are a traditionalist, is it the good one or the bad one? Because there are so many types of tradition in this part of our country now. Igbo, Yoruba, Hausa. We are using the tradition to kill ourselves, because I don't see reason why. You say that you're a traditionalist, you will see your friend doing well, you will now go and plant evil for the person to die. Later you will come and say that you are a real traditionalist. Who does that? So another thing, if you are doing tradition do not mean say in a war. But the same thing with omenana. Tradition means omenana in Igbo language. Omenana Igbo dị iche na agwamogu. Ngwaogu is the atom of going to a native doctor to request for something that you use to hurt your fellow human being. Like, nwadibia achọrọ m ka m gbuo nwanne m nwoke, ị ga-enye m ọkpụ ole, nye m poison, wee nyekwuo m ntụtụ m ga-akụ ya, so ka o wee nwụọ n'abalị a ka ọ hapụ survive. That is what they call agwamogu, ngwaogu. So my brother, what I'm trying to tell you is this. It's not good to do evil. I am Igbo traditional masquerade and culture. I am also a Christian. I am a Catholic member, strong member for that. So I run this entertainment not by say we know they go church or we know they do things make good, but we run this entertainment to show people how Igbo culture is being stand for, because Igbo culture is good for those who know the meaning. So many don't know the meaning of Igbo, and so many don't know what they have in Igbo land. That is why they misuse what they get. Rather, they will use it to kill themselves. So my dear brothers and sisters, I'm here to tell you, anything you have in this life, be in your place, on your culture, on your land, try to make good use of it. Don't use it to do evil. Eji na eme ife ọjọọ. Eji na ekpe alụ. O nwere nwoke m fụrụ one certain time in a marketplace. He just came to the place and said that he want to buy pin. I started asking myself, what is he using that pin to do? As you can see, I'm no longer a pikin of yesterday. I know that pin that is requesting for is what he will use to kill an innocent child or to send a friend early grave. So that lecture or that act of yours is not a good thing. And it's not going to do us any good to kill our friends or our brothers. Because one thing you will know in this life, if you kill that person, you can never retake the position of the person. But rather, that place will be vacant. It will be empty. And one person can never occupy this whole world. It can never be possible. Because if it's possible for one person to occupy the world, God will leave only Adam. Are you getting me? So, for those who will see this video, please, I would love you to say something about the video. Whether omenana is it good to use in evil acts, or what I just want you to know, the meaning of that omenana. Tradition. What is tradition? Tradition abụrụ ebe ị ga-agwọ ọgwụ gbuo nwanne gị. Tradition bụ ihe ọma ime n'obodo nwanne gị and ife ọma ị na-ezikọ ndị mmadụ. Ife our forefathers ji too. Ọ ga-abụ ha na-ekwu okwu ebe ọ sị na onye a bụ ezigbo mmadụ. Life of mgbe nwa. Ọ na-abụ ejọ mmadụ nke nwa onye bụ ọsị gị na ya bụ nwa Okoye. Okoye onye? Okoye Ekunnọọ. Ọsị gị ncheta mgbe nna gị nọ ndụ. Is very kind, good, generous. That is what they call tradition. That is what they call omenana. So, my dear brothers and sisters, let's stop cheating ourselves. Let's stop doing what? Cheating ourselves. This life is too small. If you can understand, this life is only the wise that can use this thing to understand the life. Your 99 intelligence matters a lot. Stop using number 36 to use 99. So many may say that omenana is not to just come and kill people. If so many are afraid to come village on Christmas time, so many they are afraid because they have already know that any day they come to village, either they give us poison or they give us this one over a size of leg or amuibi, which is not good. And I don't mind if for Joma Lobodo. On G4 Jomarende. Ọ na-adị mma amara obodo amara ha with ife ọma. o nwere ife obodo ji aka ibie. Obodo na-ekwu okwu na-eme nka na-eme nka, abụrụ na ha amaka ife obere obodo ọ na-emechi ife ike, nya ka eji nwe obere isi na-emebi. Akwịghọta, a sịrị enyocha nsị ịkapịrị ya ọnụ ọ bụrụ otoro, mana anyụcha nsị kapịa ya ọnụ ọ bụrụ ọfọ. Ị na-aghọta na? So ana m akọwara ụnụ taa, biko omenala nke ọbụla onye na-eme ya mee ya n'ụzọ ziri ezi, n'ụzọ kwụ ọtọ, n'ụzọ ga-eweta ife ọma to the society, to the community and to the organization, so that ọ gaghị abụ ife ọjọọ to your grandchildren or grandchildren, because so many things anyị na-eme n'ụwa na imecha iche na right gị pụọ, ụmụ gị pụtachi ha tawa ọfịa. It's not fair, ọ dịrọ mma. Ask him if I'll be the person to give this thing. Oga, if email, you go suffer before you die. You go suffer everything before you die. But we can question God, because God is the A and M. Nobody can challenge him. He know the better way. So my brothers, I will leave you here for now. If you come across, please do say something about the video. Tap the screen if you love what we shared here, and if you love the entertainment that we bring gifts to you. So you can help us to share the video, and we'll be coming again not too long soon. I'll be dropping some video today, tomorrow, and next. You know what I give now. It's Masquerade. But I'm promising you guys that I will give you some sweet comedy, because I am also a comedian. And my name is Mr. Talk to Me for my comedy channel in YouTube, TikTok, and Facebook. So I will still be giving you some entertainment in this my entertainment zone. Thank you, my families. Thank you, friends and well-wishers. And do take care of yourself. Bye. Ofa kwa boka. Okay. Ah.